Ever wondered why some brands just pop on your timeline? 1 minute you are scrolling, the next you are diving into their page, sliding into their DM. Like, how much is this product? That, my friend, is a concept that's as powerful as it is misunderstood. The law of attraction in action. And no, I'm not talking about think it and it will come. I'm talking about strategic visual content that pulls customers in like a Lagos body seller at a traffic light. Today, we are breaking down how most Nigerian businesses, big and small, are using visual content to attract customers effortlessly. Whether you are a startup, a corporate hustler, or even a content creator, this is your cheat code to stand out in Nigeria's noisy digital market. So grab your notepad, or better yet, smash that like button and let's dive in.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, guys, first thing first, what is the law of attraction in business? How do we, because yeah, we all know about law of attraction, but when we hear it, sometimes we even there's a way we think about the people that we know that has read that book. Do you understand? That has read the book, The Law of Attraction. But in business, what's the law of attraction? Okay, let's get one thing straight. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's marketing. It is the art of creating content so irresistible that customers can't help but notice you,
Isn't that amazing?
engage with you, and most importantly, buy from you. Think about it. Innocent Motors doesn't just post car spec, they show slick rides on Lagos Road, making you dream of cruising in one. Maven Records doesn't just drop songs, they create cinematic visuals that make the artist feel like a superstar. Interswitch employs dynamic visuals to convey efficiency and modernity. Even your favorite small businesses selling Ankara, they are using before and after transformation that makes you go, I need this in my life. That's the power of visual attraction. These brands aren't just selling product, they're selling an experience, a lifestyle, vibe, feelings, and their visuals are the magnet pulling customers in. So, how do you apply this law? Let's break it down. I've put together 5 visual contents law to attract customers. One, the stop the scroll law. Listen, Nigerians have zero patience for boring content. If your post doesn't grab attention in 0 to 5 seconds, you have lost them. Use bold colors like Guaranteed Trust Bank, vibrant orange. Start with a hook. Wait, did you know your competitors are doing this? Eye-catching thumbnail. Think Angel comedy exaggerated expression. 2. The storytelling law. Nigerians love story. From how I started to customer testimonials, people connect with real, relatable journey. Flutterwave, for instance, doesn't just talk about payment. They showcase small businesses' success stories. By sharing stories of businesses they have empowered, they create emotional connection with viewers. Dangote, they highlight impact, showcasing their process, building transparency and trust. Even your business can do this. Show behind the scenes, client transformation, or a day in a life reel. 3. Trend jacking law. If there's one thing Nigerians love more than jollof rice, it's viral trend. BBN Naija seasons, create content around it. New slang, use it in your caption. Popular sound, jump on it like Pokoli at a concert. Brands like Glow and Ope do this so well. They stay relevant by riding trends. 4. The social proof law. Nigerians don't trust ads. They trust what other Nigerians are saying. User generated content, UGC, repost customer reviews, unboxing videos. For example, Pepsi No Shaking Carry Go campaign encouraged fans to create their own video, resulting in over 76,000 user-generated videos. Crazy. Influencers collaboration. A shout out from Taoma or Mr. Macroni can skyrocket your sales. Live testimonials. Go live with happy clients like Kuda Bank customer stories. And 5. The call to action law. Listen, attraction is useless if you don't seal the deal. Like DM now, limited stock. Comment yes below. Brands like Jumia and Konga use urgency perfectly. Make them act fast. You ignore CTA and wonder why no one is buying. Let's look at some Nigerian brands that are winning with visual attraction. These are real Nigerian brands killing it. Number 1, PiggyVest. Their relatable memes, financial tips make saving fun. Fashion Nova Nigeria. Before, after fit, influential style post, instant sell. Look, whether you are a startup, corporate brand, or side hustler, the law of attraction works if you work it. Stop posting random content and start posting magnetic content that pulls customers in. So tell me, which of these laws will you try first? Drop a comment, let's chat. And if you are ready to elevate your brand visual content and drive sales, we specialize in creating consistent, high quality content that converts. Let's collaborate to bring your brand story to life. Contact us today to learn more about our content creation solution. And if this video helped you, smash that like button, share with a business owner, and subscribe for more marketing tips.